We may be off course, but stay on the map. I will be holding, let you go. We'll take as we need.
Let's go!
If anyone sneaks midnight snacks, I'd live it down. But I can't stand feeling so melodramatic. Fortunately, there's only that one chef. Very well. In that case...
Huh? Hey!
What in God's name are you all doing? What is the meaning of this? Ignoring your slacking off?
But sir, you can't say that. Not about wounded men. Lieutenant, we're all violent. Thanks to your wounded methods.
What did you say? You're calling me violent? Let's hear that again, Anderson.
What, you couldn't hear me before? Maybe you needed violent too.
Why, you...
Sorry about that. I'm back. Oh my, look at you.
What is it?
Your blood pressure looks a little high. How about if I come by later with some stabilizers, okay? Huh?
No!
Okay, your choice.
There's plenty here. You should have just said you were hungry.
I know that, you fool! You must never speak of this. Is that clear?
Oh, sure it is. But you know, you talk sort of funny.
What?
Do you always talk like that?
Could it be he doesn't recognize Michael Rosen?
Oh well, I guess it really doesn't matter anyway.
Very well. If he doesn't... It's Michael Rosen! He used to be my favorite childhood pet.
This was your pet?
No. Come along now, it's me. Active 16. It's me. Have you forgotten?
I don't know.
What should I do? Oh, do I tell them or don't I? What? What should I do? What should I do?